Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to reveal the credit score secrets my friend Jason used to fight a $3,120 debt collections nightmare, and how you can use these powerful strategies to protect your own credit. So grab your pen and paper because you won't want to miss these insider tips. And be sure to watch the entire video for a surprising fact about debt validation letters and why you should always write one if you get a collections notice. Let's dive into Jason's story and learn the ins and outs of writing a debt validation letter. Now, when I say Jason, I don't mean this guy from Friday the 13th movie. I'm talking about my good friend Jason, who faced a real-life financial nightmare. See, Jason received a collections email from Plaza Servicing for an account he had with Personify. He was worried because he didn't have the money available to pay this debt. He's been doing all the right things lately. He's been saving money, he's been watching his spending, and he's been improving his credit and financial life. When he had the loan, he made the effort to pay it off, but Personify never collected the payment. So this is actually a mistake on Personify's part. So Jason reached out to me and I shared a powerful secret with him. It's writing a debt validation letter and sending it via certified mail. Now, it's essential that you keep records and send this letter via certified mail so you have proof of delivery. Make sure you keep the receipt so you have the tracking number. Even if you know the debt is legitimate, sending a debt validation letter is worth the cost of certified mail, as it can help you verify that there's no errors in the amount that you owe or other details in the debt. Armed with this secret, let's learn how to write a debt validation letter step by step. First, you're going to want to put in the letter your name, address, the date, the debt collector's name and address, a reference number for the account or case number that they've sent in the collections notice. And you want to request for a validation of the debt, so that they have to prove that they have all the right records in order to collect from you. You also want to show that they have the right licenses to collect in the state, and you want to request that they cease communication until the debt is validated. I've included a free debt validation letter in the description below so you can use that. After sending this debt validation letter, my friend Jason noticed he didn't receive any more notices and his credit report and credit score remained unaffected. If he hadn't taken these actions, Plaza Servicing might have been able to make multiple attempts to collect the debt and could have potentially damaged his credit and put him in a really bad financial situation. Remember, it's crucial that you send this debt validation letter within the first 30 days of receiving a collections notice. By doing so, you can protect your credit score and ensure the debt collectors follow the proper protocols when trying to collect from you. Jason's credit score is just one example of how a debt validation can save your credit score. Many others have experienced similar success with this strategy. So don't wait. Take control of your financial future by learning how to write a debt validation letter today. Otherwise, they're going to assume if they don't hear anything from you that the debt is legit, and they're going to start collection practices. Now, as promised, here's the surprising fact as to why you should write a debt validation letter within the first 30 days of receiving a collections notice. According to a study on the debt buying industry, collection agencies couldn't validate 41% of accounts less than 3 years old and 64% of accounts that are 6 years or older. Overall, the debt industry can only validate about half of all the accounts. The least likely accounts to be validated are medical, telecommunications, and utility debts. Knowing this, it's clear that validating a debt is definitely worth your time. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. And if you want your credit score to start working for you and not against you, watch out for more videos like this. Until next time.